Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Never seen live trading on a widescreen. Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. The Bitcoin dip, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. At Vacation Genie, we believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Friday. And yes, I said Friday because it's time to celebrate after working so hard all week. So now you can sit back, relax, and pamp at the end. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I'm very excited. Guys, this is my last live stream in this current location. I am going to be moving all weekend, and hopefully I'll be all set for Monday's show. But I will keep you guys all posted in the Discord, which is where we're actually going to have a members-only after show today. So become a member of the YouTube channel and hop on over. Guys, we have a bunch of headlines to share with you today. Our spotlight is going to be SEC Chairman Paul Atkins getting after it yesterday, fully laying out the groundwork and the whole future of how he sees Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Bottom line, he's bullish. And this is a major, stark contrast to the last administration with Gary Gensler, who just straight up called us
fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Gary, I didn't ask. I was going to say it myself. But you, of course, had to take the spotlight. Gary's all about the spotlight. In other words, though, we do have the White House. There's an announcement from the White House. Like, I just thought it was straight up entertaining, so I included that in one of our first clips. We do have treasury companies, crypto treasury companies, whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB treasuries we're seeing now, stacking up that crypto. Metaplanet making moves, strategy trying to raise over $4 billion to buy more Bitcoin. That's a lot of money, boys and girls. We got Visa teaming up with blockchain companies. And then, of course, we got Coinbase planning their move for tokenized stocks in the US. So we'll dive into that. We'll show the price as well. And then, of course, our spotlight, which I mentioned before with the SEC chairman. And finally, our coins to watch. So if you're ready for the zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and a subscriber goal of 22,680. Let's get 10 more. Pamp it up, smash the like. Let's do it. I know that Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a dip today. We're at 114K. We'll dive into the price in just a moment. We're going to go say good morning to everyone first. Oh my gosh, it's freaking Kevin. Kevin, you are killing me over there already. Shout out to Kevin on TikTok. We love Kevin on TikTok. He's one of our warriors over there. All right, guys, let's say good morning to you as you say good morning to me. And check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, including Cake Wallet Markets, Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then head over to Vacation Genie, where you're going to book your cruise with crypto. Let's keep getting after it, my friends. All the love to every single one of you. Woohoo! We got Black Hat, as always, thank you to you. Mike Volmer, this is for you. I had to do a donkey for the last show in this location. There we go. Donkey for y'all. This is straight up for you. Silver Days, good morning. Crypto Farmers over on TikTok. Gentle, Ryan, good morning. We have Jesse, Rob C, good morning. Mama Shadow, Sun Backup. Are you guys, is someone able to record my Newsmax hit from yesterday? I still haven't gotten it from them, and I kind of really want to post it so I can share it with you. If anyone has, cable TV and could go back and rewind and possibly screen record it, that would be awesome. Thank you. We got Joe Harvey, good morning. Curtis Neal is here. Curtis, where you been, bro? Good morning. We got Aquarium, Mark Smithson, Bullduck Eric, good morning. David Bulls, Alexandra G, my G, Doge Bull, Andy S, good morning. Welcome, Mark Smithson. I can't even look at this dude's comments. He makes me laugh sometimes. Good morning, everyone. Emma Foster. Guys, Emma Foster is one of the most important people in crypto because she is Miss Tween Crypto. How old are you now, Emma? Are you 12 yet? Or you're still 11? Wait, you're 12. I'm going to say you're 12. She's been watching the show since she was 9 years old. 9. She's Miss Tween. I give all the love to her. I told Papa John and Emma, if Emma's serious, she wants to make content in this space, I will carry her with me. I will carry her with me. I appreciate her so much whenever she's ready. But we love Emma so much. Everyone say hello to Emma. Everyone say hello to Emma. Julie's in the chat. Julie, we love Julie too. Julie's amazing. Shout out to Julie. Cassius Cuvée, like fine wine. Good morning. Jim, my Belgian friend. Good morning. Mike Mazzone is over on X. We got David Jensen. Peace of Mind. Good morning. Welcome. Chipper. Good morning. Silverback is here. Welcome, everyone. Bullduck. Eric M2. Good morning. John Legend has all his emojis. Romu over there on X. Good morning. He says present. John White. Let's see. Warpaint, good morning. Double O with all his heart emojis. I love that so much. It's so cute. Andy S. Crypto Farmer, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Alex Caimano, Ransols over on X. Crypto Surfer, Keen Bean, good morning. Taj. Peace is also on X. We got Crimson on X, too. Welcome. Herdanov, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Armon is here. Good morning. Oh boy. Oh freaking boy. We got the whole gang in the house. Silver Turkey is here too. Look, Randy's on TV. Yeah, I was on TV yesterday. It was so awesome. We love Newsmax and we love Fox Business. All right, guys, let's continue to get after it. Thank you guys for being here, especially TikTok. Behave or I will shut off the live stream. Go to YouTube if you want to be a part of the greater chat. All right. Market recap.
Last one to make it a full week. Have fun moving this weekend. You'll be thinking about it for sure. Much love.
Bro. I went to go press the button and I got scared. Eric, my guy, you've been doing this every day this week. Every day this week. My Amazon purchases are so grateful for you. You don't know how much I've bought on Amazon this week. I don't have a choice though. Like I gotta buy paper towels. I gotta buy all these like little things. Eric, my guy, I can't with you. Shout out to Warpaint with 5 memberships today. Thank you so much. Fred, can I confirm it's actually me? Hello, this is me. Hi. Nice to see ya. Thank you for joining. All right. This is my only account. Oh, I thought he was asking if this was my real account. This is my real account. I don't message anyone else. I don't message people. I don't ask about your trading. I don't ask you to sign up for anything. All my publicly endorsed products are right here on this channel. All right, guys. Wow, that scared me. Eric, you're a legend. Just can't. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Let's jump into the market recap. Guys, I am moving. I'm so excited. I'm going to be moving all this weekend. All right, market recap. Oh, boy, people are upset. But I'm here to tell you it's okay. All in all, it's okay. What we did lose is our golden zone, which we know if Bitcoin is sitting at one price for a certain amount of time, usually it means a little bit of a pullback is in store. And I think that's necessary. the ideal pullback for Bitcoin, we're at $114,390 right now, down 1.18%. Your ideal pullback is either right here at 112 or the previous high of 109. And you can see at 109, we really haven't created like a solid foundational support. And so ideally, let's pull back to 109. If you want me to get majorly radical, pull back to 106. 106.3, 106.4. That is your ideal pullback for Bitcoin. I know people will be upset. People might get wiped out with their leverage and everything else because we did see about $600 million worth of bullish bets liquidated yesterday between Bitcoin and the alts. So if you're using leverage, please just advise caution. We are still technically in price discovery mode. So 106 is where I would feel most warm and fluffy pulling back to create a support and then go through those hurdles again of 109, 112, which were the peaks at one point or another, obviously, and then moving up to back to that 120 mark. A red dot has been printed on Bitcoin's daily momentum, pulling it down and down to the negatives. We are now bearish with this momentum. VWAP is confidently moving down. I'm hoping money flow remains green. That is very important because, you add water to a plant, it grows. And so the money flow will help Bitcoin's price grow. However, all these OTC buys that are happening, keep in mind, they're not over here. We're not seeing them. And so I would say almost, and people could get upset with me, but I feel like it's the charts are half relevant only because you're only seeing the volume when it comes to exchanges. You're not seeing the volume of like Saylor's $1 billion buys. He just bought $2 billion. If we saw that right here, bro, we would be like popping off in price. But the fact that it's OTC, we don't see it. So it's like I take these charts almost with a grain of salt. However, we did break below our downtrend at a rapid pace here, and we are now bearish with this RSI. And I'm telling you right now, what's the best thing for Bitcoin? Sending it all the way down to oversold. Relieve the selling pressure. Move on. There's a lot of money coming into this space. Again, it is not reflected here. It's not reflected. And you could zoom out too. Let's zoom out like we did yesterday or the day before, whenever we did that, because I talk a lot on the show. Sometimes I can't keep track. But we do have a minimal amount of volume here on the Coinbase Bitcoin chart. This is minimal volume, friends. Imagine how high the volume actually is that the price is not reflecting, nor this chart. The real retail money has not come in. And that's also what this displays. Like I said, when in doubt, zoom out. Oh, Peace just wrote that too. When in doubt, zoom out on the charts. This is the best performing asset of all time. And even when I was on Newsmax yesterday, darn it, I wish I had the clip to show you. Because they were asking me questions that are just showing how early we are. They're like, how do you even buy Bitcoin? I'm like, we're going back to the basics here. And this is what the world needs, is the basics. Okay, I just want to lower TikTok a little bit. Now, breaking news headlines, we're going to get into it, and we'll dive into more charts later, too. So smash like, subscribe, share. Let's do it. Are you ready to make America fit again? Well, seems like Triple H from WWE has teamed up with the White House to make America fit again. And I just thought this was so entertaining and I had to show it to you. So we're going to start off with some comedic value. Time to play the game. And I probably will get copyrighted for this. And so if you're watching the replay, I'm probably going to mute this after.
Time to play the game! Time to play the game!
That was like... I just have no words for that one. Like, whoever is a White House intern... you just have to give them props. The memes they come out with. The endorsements they have. Like, White House collabing with Triple H? You just like can't even pay to make these things up. That's so crazy. But the White House, whoever the White House intern is, I'm just giving you all the props because you're killing it. Just killing it. I can't. That was actually so much for me. I was like, oh Lord. It's like all my worlds coming into one. But yeah, guys, we're getting after it. We're gonna go into our real headlines now, which is that it's been a quote-unquote a monster week for crypto treasury companies with the massive buys, $8 billion worth of buying this week. Now, breaking it down over here, Ethereum, SharpLink, the second largest Ethereum treasury firm, boosted the total buying up to $338 million worth of ETH in two separate buys Monday and Thursday. Bitminer's BTCS Inc. filed for plans to sell up to $2 billion in shares to fund future purposes or purchases of ETH. And so then we also saw the Ether machine scooping up $57 million worth of ETH. We also have Tron, where there's another company looking to go and buy $1 billion to buy Tron. Then we have three companies signaling plans to buy Solana, Sui, or BNB. This is just a massive buying spree that we see right now. The alts are just getting started. And people say like alt season's dead. Alt season just might look different this time because we're going to have a lot of institutional buying here. The meme coins, I believe, will come back. There's always going to be a trend in crypto. There's always going to be a meme. So I have no concerns about that. We still have companies raising to buy more crypto, which is what we were just getting at with the previous headline. And Metaplanet is looking to raise $3.6 billion to fund their next Bitcoin buy. Again, $3.6 billion through perpetual preferred stock issuance. Following the strategy. And strategy's continuing their strategy, which is them now looking to raise $4.2 billion to buy more Bitcoin. They are just going ham. They literally just bought $2.6 billion. It's not enough. Even Sailor was saying owning 3 to 7% of the network isn't even that bad. Do you agree with that? Smash a like. Put 1 or a yes emoji if you agree, 2 or no emoji if you disagree. Do you think owning 3 to 7% of the Bitcoin supply is okay for Sailor to do? Strategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, plans to raise as much as $4.2 billion through sales of a newly issued preferred stock series, according to a Thursday filing with the SEC. The offering comes just days after the company sold nearly $2.5 billion worth of STRC, or Stretch, to investors, and the stock debuted trading on the NASDAQ Global Select Market. The shares pay a 9% variable dividend, adjustable at the company's discretion to maintain market price stability. They also coincided with the firm's reporting of a second quarter net income of $10 billion, driven by Bitcoin's price gains during the quarter. And this is where the headlines come in, right? Where if Bitcoin was on a major dip, let's say we went back down to 90K, they'd be like, oh my gosh, he's not making enough money. The average price of the Bitcoin he has is at 70-something K. What if we go back down there? Sailor's getting wiped out. Oh, please. Sailor knows what he's doing. But again, $4.2 billion, that's not a small amount. And yet again, going back to what I said at the beginning, the volume is not reflected here. These $1 billion+ buys are not reflected on this chart. Wait till the central banks buy. Wait till the government starts buying. You think you're going to see that here? No. But it's happening. It's all the underlying buys that no one's even paying attention to and factoring in. Bitcoin at this price, 114K, is so undervalued. It is so undervalued. It's just a matter of time until it all catches up with itself. Crazy. Absolutely wild. I just wanted to make that one of my stressor points today. But yeah, either way, someone owning a large amount of Bitcoin doesn't take away from the fundamentals of what Bitcoin is, which is a decentralized money that you could transact with 24/7, 365, actually be your own bank with. So no matter who owns what, the ability to have decentralized money still exists. We do have Visa Visa is making some moves with other blockchains, Stellar, Avalanche, adding support for 3 stablecoins. So Visa is, of course, trying to get in the money because they know that they could eventually be phased out if they go ahead and ignore crypto, which they haven't done, Visa. But they also have their own objectives, which we've been talking about for years, which is that they have a whole head of CBDCs at their company. That, again, that's what their goal is, CBDCs. The global payments provider Visa is expanding their stablecoin settlement platform to new blockchains and stables. The firm will now support $2 pegged coins, PayPal USD, which they've been doing forever now, and Global Dollar, which is USDG, through a partnership with Paxos. It's also adding the euro-backed URC, issued by Circle, giving partners access to settlement in both the US dollars and euros. 2 new blockchains, Stellar and Avalanche, will join their existing support for ETH and Solana. With the additions, the firm's settlement platform supports 4 stablecoins, including USDC, across 4 blockchains. Their partnership goes back between USDC and Visa all the way back to 2020. So again, this is a long time in the making. And also just keep note that USDG, the stablecoin that one of the 2 besides the other one besides USDC that they have, is issued by Paxos. And Paxos was initially having Binance's stablecoin issued out through Paxos, but Gary Gensler crushed it. So my question is if Paxos is allowed to issue every stablecoin out its wazoo, which I believe includes PayPal as well, PayPal's stablecoin, then why in the world can't BNB's or Binance's USD stablecoin come back? Bring it back. It was the top 3 stablecoin, and they wiped it out like it was nothing. Like, that is shameful. That is shameful. Discontinuing the issuance because of Gary Gensler saying a stablecoin is a security, when how in the world are you saying that it's a security? Please explain it to me. How are you making profit off of a stablecoin? Sometimes I just wonder about common sense and if it even exists in this world. I don't know. Coinbase, though, is increasing their Bitcoin holdings and planning their move for tokenized stocks in the US. The market is becoming digital, my friends. Coinbase said it's increasing Bitcoin holdings and that it plans to launch US stocks and prediction markets in the coming months, marking a significant expansion of its business as it seeks to diversify their revenue stream. In a post on X, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said Coinbase is long Bitcoin. Our holding increased by 2,509 Bitcoin in Q2, and we keep buying more. And so this is definitely something that isn't new. But then Coinbase confirmed to CNBC that it's preparing to offer tokenized versions of U.S. equities, digital representations of shares that can be traded on blockchain infrastructure. It's going to allow users to buy and sell fractions of stocks around the clock with faster settlement and lower costs than trad equity markets. The CLO, the chief legal officer, Paul, announced in June that the company was seeking approval from the SEC for the product. Robinhood, Kraken, Crypto.com, OKX, like all these people are going to end up doing tokenized stocks. Some of them have already started doing that. So this is not new at all. And then even apparently someone posted something that I believe is rumor. I don't think it's confirmed at the moment, and someone correct me if I'm wrong. But apparently Coinbase is going to open like their wallet to everybody, have a DEX, so that way you could just like trade whatever, get on Base, get off Base, which is their layer 2 on Ethereum, very easily and without having to go through all that KYC nonsense. So very big news, very big things happening right now. Anyways, we're going to get into our spotlight and then coins to watch, and then we're going to go into our after show, guys. Our after show I'm very excited for. We have our members. Please become a member of the channel if you have not. And so that way you can join the members only stage in Discord. And I'm very excited. And then after we end all this, I have to go get my keys for my new place. I'm very excited about it. Guys, pimp it! Woohoo! Pimp it up. Gotta pimp, pimp, pimp. Bullish. Guys, my earbuds are broken, by the way. Yesterday when I was going on Newsmax, only one of them was working, and then it kept making like static like noise, like shh, shh. And I was like, oh my word. Like I was just like, please let me be able to hear Newsmax, please. I was actually so happy that oh boy. Oh boy, Double O, thank you so much. So it's like, is she gonna start crying again? Dude, you guys are too good to me, man. You're too good. Guys, is Wendy watching? Is that actually Wendy or is that a fake Wendy? Shout out to Wendy. We love Wendy. Oh my gosh, Double O, thank you so much for that super chat, man. You guys are killing me. Ah! I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I can't. Thank you guys so much for these super chats today. I'm actually just losing my mind just a little bit because I'm so excited to move into my new place. I'm so excited. And we're gonna crush it, man. We're gonna like get after the whole world and stuff. Like, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Guys, we're going to move. We're gonna get new furniture soon. I'm so excited. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. We only have 85 likes. We're looking for 150 for a rave. This is the last time I'll be streaming in this location. We have to make it special because we do have an important spotlight today. Let's do it.
Senators voting in the affirmative: Baldwin, Blunt Rochester, Durbin, Heinrich, Hirono, Kane.
What was that? Oh, I don't know what that was. Maybe just, maybe Liz Warren just falling on the Senate floor. Oh, guys, I couldn't. I had to share it with you. Guys, please put, please put a fire emoji, Liz Warren emoji. This woman, she's trying to get rid of crypto freedom in this country. She's completely corrupt, and she just falls on the Senate floor, which I just found funny. I'm not saying like, oh, I'm endorsing like bad things to happen to this woman. Definitely not, but she just fell on the floor. Sorry, guys. If you missed it, here you go. Hold on.
Senators voting in the affirmative: Baldwin, Blunt Rochester, Durbin, Heinrich.
There you go. She just fell. So I just thought that was so me though, because I literally fall all the time. Like, I'm always just like I don't know, bruising myself out of nowhere. But guys, we do have the SEC. The SEC is actually our spotlight today. Not that, but I just thought it was funny. Guys, we have the SEC Chair Paul Atkins that's extremely bullish on Bitcoin and crypto, especially after the White House crypto report came out. He was releasing Project Crypto out of the SEC, which is essentially just doubling down on the White House crypto report, that we want to annihilate CBDCs in the United States. We want to be able to go ahead and have crypto prosper. And he even said that most tokens are not securities, which is actually what Gary Gensler said back in the day. If you guys want me to find the clip, I can do it. But Gary Gensler was saying at MIT that basically most of crypto is not a security. And so that is major news. And so I just thought that was probably one of the most important things that he could say. Again, quote, most crypto assets are not securities. I'm gonna try to find that clip from Gary Gensler at MIT. I think it's just like the absolute most important thing. MIT, let's see, 339. No, where is Gary Gensler? Oh my gosh. All right. Gary Gensler. Not securities. MIT. All right, let me see if I could find this. This clip of him back in the day. Oh, there we go. I got it. Hold on, I got it. This is Gary Gensler in like 2018 or 2017, something of that nature. Why couldn't he just stick to what he was saying then?
Now in the U.S. and in many other jurisdictions that 3/4 of the market are not ICOs or not what would be called securities. Even in the U.S., Canada, and Taiwan, the 3 jurisdictions that follow something similar to
most
the
of
Howey
crypto
test that we've talked about. 3/4 of the market is non-securities. It's just a commodity, a cash crypto.
Cash crypto, Gary, you say it. Gary was such a crypto bro. Then he came into like the SEC and became a paid actor. But dude, that's exactly what Paul Atkins was basically saying today. Or yesterday, I should say. And so he did say also, Paul Atkins, that he's in favor of Bitcoin and crypto self-custody. Again, this is a basic human right of life, liberty, and property. And I'm happy that this SEC is actually for it.
The right to have self-custody of one's private property is a core American value. I believe deeply in the right to use a self-custodial digital wallet to maintain personal crypto assets and participate in on-chain activities like staking. The right to have self-custody of one's private property.
Yeah, man. Self-custody. It's a core American value. We love that. Thank you, Paul Atkins. Now, some more highlights of his chat yesterday, courtesy of Eleanor. Project Crypto, drafting new rules for crypto asset distributions, clarify when tokens are securities versus commodities, which the CFTC is basically going to handle most of that. Being that, again, like, what I still don't understand is how they try to box crypto in either the commodity box or the security box, but honestly, nothing applies. So good luck, buddies. That's all I gotta say is good luck. And then develop disclosures and safe harbors saying tokenization of stocks, bonds, and other assets are gonna happen. And then the right to self-custody, which we kind of dove into just a little bit, securities, trading, staking, lending, and more. I'm very much waiting for staking to come back. And I think, and just like call me crazy in the chat, but I highly believe that when it comes down to the staking, and the banks are going to jump on that big time. They're going to say, hey, come stake at JP Morgan, come stake at Wells Fargo and all these other banks. They're going to want you to go to them and stake your crypto and earn a yield. Just like how they have, some banks have high yield savings accounts. They're going to do the same thing, but for crypto, because they know they'll make more money that way. And then Atkins distinguishing code publishers from intermediaries, creating regulatory space, which is really important too, because like even how they try to put this on miners, miners are money broker dealers or money transmitters. How in the actual like is that possible when all they're doing is running code and getting rewarded for securing a network? That doesn't make them a money transmitter. Like, that's just actual delusion. And then the 30% tax that Biden was trying to do on the miners, that was just a horrible move for our country. Like, that was just stupid. And I'm happy it really never went through. I also do want to send wishes to our bestie, Jesse. Jesse's always in this chat. He's always rooting for the like button. He's just a great person that defends me when people try to, like, be mean. He defends other people as well. We absolutely love Jesse. Jesse, if you're watching, I know you're probably not in the chat. He was in the hospital this morning. I believe he fell off his bike and broke his hip, which is so sad. And we love Jesse so much. So please, everyone, put hearts in the chat for Jesse. Maybe he's listening in the hospital, or if he's not, we're still gonna like throw prayers up in the air. So please throw a prayer out there for Jesse. Put a little heart out there for Jesse, because he is a critical core member of this team over in the Zesty fam, and we love him so much. So Jesse, all the love to you, my friend, all the well wishes. Please get better soon and take it easy and eat an egg sandwich. That's what he needs, is an egg sandwich. We've been talking about that a lot lately. Oh, thank you guys on TikTok for throwing the hearts over there too for Jesse. Jesse's not always on TikTok, but he is sometimes. We love Jesse, guys. Thank you so much for giving him love. Oh my gosh, all these hearts everywhere for Jesse. I love it. All the love to you, Jesse. Woohoo, get better soon. Has everyone voted for Miss T? Oh my gosh, guys, I am so crazy. I totally forgot about that. Where's the tweet, guys? I gotta find it. There's influencer awards. I think I've been nominated in the past, but I didn't even know. I was speaking to Adam, who runs the influencer awards, like at, I think it's Litecoin Summit. A few months ago, I was talking to him and I was like, Adam, how come? I was like, I've never been involved in these awards. He's like, yes, you have. I was like, what? He was like, yeah, Randy, you were nominated last year. You didn't even know? I was like, no. No. I just thought that was really funny. Just really entertaining. I had no clue. And so there is a category, best live event coverage. You can see, oh, look, that's me right there. Perfect timing. Oh, and I am nominated for best live coverage, but we have like really good people here too that I would give my flowers to. I endorse all my fellow nominees. So please make sure you guys go ahead. They're going to announce this in Vegas at Rare Evo. I don't have plans to go to Rare Evo as of right now, unless things change. But this is the website. You could go to any of these categories, but this is the one I'm in, best current events coverage. Oh, no, not current events. Best live event coverage. And you'll see me right there. If you click the link, it's just going to take you to my YouTube channel. But you're just going to hit vote now. It's going to take you to a Google Doc. And then you could go ahead and vote for everyone. Guys, make sure you vote for... Oh, my gosh. No, we have too many friends here. But we love Hawk. Hawk, I was on Newsmax with him yesterday. But, guys, we have so many beautiful people, so many categories. So please do me a favor and vote for whoever you want. It doesn't have to be me because I endorse everybody and their mom. So please make sure you guys go ahead and... vote if you can. Please vote for us. Vote for us. Let's win it. Let's win it. Oh, and then we have the golden upvote. So you could also write my name in this if you feel pleased to do so. But yeah, very interesting categories and nominees for said categories. But we love it. We love it all. So please make sure you guys go ahead. Also, oh my gosh, guys, in best micro channel, Meta Mona is listed. Guys, go vote for Mona. Vote for Mona. Vote for Mona. Go vote for Mona. We love Mona. Best micro channel. Vote for Mona ASAP. I'm just not voting for anything because I'm in this and I don't want people to be like, oh my gosh, Randy's trying to corrupt the vote. So I'm going to leave it be and stay neutral for the sake of my nomination. But please go ahead and vote for Mona for best micro channel. We love her so much. We love Mona. All right, guys. Oh, you added my name. Thanks, Andy. Appreciate you. Yeah, so vote for me. Best live event coverage. And then for the golden upvote, go throw my name in there if you feel so compelled to do so. We're going to have our beautiful Coins to Watch segment happen right now. So let's do it. And then we need to smash these likes, friends. We cannot lack. We want to rave today. Let's do it. Gainers, there basically are none. So messed up. That's so messed up. I should laugh. But guys, we basically got nothing in the green today besides like gold tracked coins, which I don't count. Now for your losers though, we do have a leader there, which is Hyperliquid down 10%. SPX down 10%, Pendle down 9.8%, Curve down 8.6%, and Virtuals down 6.8%. Let's dive into the charts. Am I selling anything? Hi, Joey. Thank you for the heart. Am I selling anything? No, I'm not selling anything. I mean, you could contribute to the channel by becoming a member on YouTube, by which you get cool emojis to throw in the chat and you get access to our members only Discord after show. So besides that, I am not selling any products. Like I have sponsors that you can use their products as well. I endorse them. Like Cake Wallet is free. Go download their wallet. Market Cipher is the best trading tool in the world. Use code ZESTY for 15% off plus my link, please. And then Vacation Genie, you just book your cruise with crypto, and that's just about it. Like that ain't about me. That's about you having the best ROI, which is less than memories. Am I right? But yeah, we love it. Oh my gosh, look at that emoji on a Rumble. That was so cute. Who did that? And Class Coder. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest emoji I've ever seen. It looks like me hugging the Rumble sign. Oh my word. That was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Smash the like, guys. Let's get into our charts with ETH and Litecoin. Guys, we have $3,644 ETH. We're down 1.46%. Bearish level to watch is right here at 32.81. That's where I really want to pull back to, hold support, move back up. However, we could probably lay low over the weekend. We're going to target 39.50 as our bullish end. Over here, we do have a red dot printed, pulling down the momentum. Now, it's not nearly as bearish as Bitcoin, though the VWAP might be. As you can see here, money flow is still remaining green. We have a lot of money coming into ETH as well. RSI is finally below that overbought, which I think is great. We want to send it down. Relieve the selling pressure, let people buy the dip, and let her rise again. I think sending it to oversold is always the best case scenario. And people might think I'm crazy for that, but you see, it really does work out when you send it down. Take a break, chill out, wait for the bullish stuff to come back. It always does. Now, we do have Litecoin at $106.76. We're up about 0.5%. Again, sitting at our critical level of 105, 106. That's where we want to hold, push 114. Bearish level to watch is our 200-day SMA at $98. Going below $100 is already a psychological barrier. And then we have the 200-day SMA. Oh boy, this could get a little bit crazy. It could get a little nasty here. So you want to stay above that 200-day SMA. If we test it, let it be a confident pull back to the 200-day SMA and pop off. We're not messing around out here. But those are your ideal case scenarios. A red dot is printed. Now you see very slightly, I don't even know if you can see it here, but there's a slight piece of that momentum that is below the zero line. VWAP is down as well. Money flow is remaining kind of stagnant, still green though. Then the RSI is almost neutral. I say send it. Send it to the bearish. Send it to oversold. Let's do this thing. I'm not scared. I am not scared. But some whiny whiners out there are going to say, where? I use 30 million X leverage for my bullish bet. And you know what? I got liquidated. I got crushed. Bruh. Bullish mirrors case scenario. Set a stop loss. Do whatever you got to do. But please do not hurt yourself. You know the phrase, check yourself before you wreck yourself. And that's what I say to everybody that's trading right now. Check yourself before you wreck yourself, before you wham on Twitter. Bitcoin's dead. Crypto's dead. Ethereum's dead. It's never coming back. It's still at $3,600. Like, I don't know. I really can't. I can't handle it. I can't handle the emotions. Like, most of these traders are men, and you think men are supposed to be like, oh, grr and strong. But all they do is cry on Twitter when they lose a trade and say crypto's the worst. Like, really, it was your trade. And even the stats, go look it up and confirm. Don't just listen to me. Don't listen to me. But the studies do show if you DCA and hold, there's a higher probability of you making more profit versus just trading and losing your noodle every 5 minutes. Now, you could be very successful trading, and I totally endorse trading. That's why we look at charts. But please just check yourself before you wreck yourself. Thank you. So check Abstract. Oh, what's going on Abstract? Oh my gosh, who's this? Be Epic. Be Epic, thank you so much for 30 Pengu. Woohoo, we got Pengu. Buy spot and stop crying. Exactly, Casper, exactly. Who's this too? Zol. Hello, GMT, my friend on Abstract. Hello. Sorry, the text is like so small on Abstract, I literally can't even read it. Be Epic says, you're welcome, stack your Pengu. Oh, why, thank you. Yay, Pengu. Oh boy, guys. I'm so bullish, man. Like, I'm just so excited too because I'm moving over the weekend and it's just gonna be so amazing. I'm so excited. I'm literally gonna go get after it after the after show. Like, it is so awesome. I have a bunch of stuff from Amazon that I'm gonna put in there today. I have plates from my friend that gave me her plates because she was like, I don't need these. These are in my storage. I'm like, sure, I'll take your plates. And so now I at least have plates. So that's good. We have plates. All right, guys. Hello, Pie Guy over on X. How are you doing today? It's nice to see you. All right. I can't. I'm losing it. I got no noodle in the head today. What are we looking at likes wise? We're at 109 likes. I feel like we like, obviously it's not what I feel. I know that we don't have 150 likes here. We don't. And for that, I'm like, okay, sure. We might just have to rave anyway. How much fun will it be opening my Amazon packages? Honestly, like, not the most fun thing in the world. Like, I really do like opening boxes. I like doing unboxings, but for certain things, like if you get like a new computer, a new tablet, a new phone, like doing that unboxing from Apple is so satisfying. But I do like my Amazon packages. They're just going to be really heavy because I got detergent. I got like all these like heavy things in boxes, and like it's just going to be a lot to carry. But you know what? This is why I hit the gym. It's because I could carry everything. Right? Be the change. Thank you for the heart. But yeah, guys, all weekend between today, tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to be moving. And so, like I said, I'm hoping by Sunday night I have my desk all set up. And then I can go ahead and do my thing on Monday and be here. Oh my gosh, that's also a thing, Julio. I don't have scissors. Like, I mean, I could probably borrow scissors, but I don't have my own scissors. I don't have my own, like, box cutter. That I need to probably go buy after this. And it's so funny. You just reminded me. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. Let's get into a rave if you guys want. Should we rave? We don't even have our like requirement. But I feel like it's my last, like, stream in this place. Like, I think it at least deserves a send-off. I don't know. If you want to rave, just, like, put rave in the chat. Let's see it. We're going to have to rave to Bitcoin besties. So that means I'm going to go grab my AI music for right now so I could go put you on hold and go get my materials. I think I actually packed my rave materials, which I shouldn't have done. So give me a quick minute. Is this going to play? Are we playing? Oh, there we go.
Like the show, dance the night, forget your woes. Click that button, let it blow. Parties pumping, lights are flashing, comments buzzing, beats are crashing. Join the vibe, let's get it smashing. Don't hold back, no time for dashing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Join us in the zesty tribe. Let the energy revive. Read it, post it, let them know. Groove together, feel the flow. Hearts and shares, we start to grow. In this rave, we steal the show. Thumbs go up and spirits fly. In this moment, touch the sky. With a tap, we amplify. Cheers and lights won't let us die. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Join us in the zesty tribe. Let the energy revive.
Okay, I'm back. All right. I see my music has ended. Oh, shoot. All right. Let's get it, guys. We're going to rave. Let's do it. Let's see raves in the chat. Woo! It's a Bitcoin bestie.
Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Just waking up from a nice dream.
Bitcoin popping on a live stream.
Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Never seen life trade
Turn
on a
up,
live
let's
stream.
go.
Bitcoin showing you the
These
steps,
steps
to
to own
own it.
it.
We got the alpha, I bet you own it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put
Put a little extra on it. It's immutable, decentralized, no sense to ship a hard cap supply.
It's open source, so we
But Chase secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounce around like this new jam. Bitcoin dip, we ain't gonna trip. I'll be bullish on you, fam.
It's great for those who just
It's
DCA.
DCA.
If you stacking sats and you trying to save, some like to hodl, some like to trade. I'ma do both, just ride the wave. When price drop, don't get angry.
Man, that's just how the game be.
I seen worse, nothing really pains me.
I'm a Bitcoin bull, can't change me.
It's the best assets
The old times, like the 1849 gold mine.
Gold rush happened in no time.
Every 4 years gonna blow minds.
Let's see, investing. When Bitcoin met me,
It blessed me. Positive is just how I live. All I gotta say, stay zesty.
Bitcoin bestie.
You gotta love it.
I'm a
Hucksters,
Bitcoin
fraudsters,
bestie. You
scam
gotta
artists,
love it. I'm a
Ponzi schemes.
Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
By now, you know that it's here to stay when inflation and fiat is running away.
I've been here since back in the day when they said it would never hit 100K. You trust the banks?
Well, I trust the code. Price prediction, I'm barely stressing.
Hit a million in 5 years?
Maybe less when it does, you'll see it on the Daily
You
Zest.
should watch if you knew or clever trader. She's too cool, you could never hate her. She gotta be the #1 educator. Could explain Bitcoin to a 7th grader. Gotta say what's up to the super chat.
Special shout out to the last tipper. Bitcoin bestie, Randi Hipper, that you fit like a glass slipper.
Got my friends in a frenzy.
We ain't even try to be
trendy.
I'm a digital girl in a digital world. Out here repping it for Gen Z. We peer to peer because the future's here.
All grown up and permissionless. Now picture this, we're witnesses.
By now you should know what the mission is.
Crypto
Hey.
so frigid, it's no gimmick, but I'm cold with it. I've been in it since 4 digits. Price going up with no limits.
I'm cool, babe, like fine wine. Whenever I rhyme, come toast me.
Grab the homie, raise a glass. One love to Satoshi.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. I'm a Bitcoin
Hucksters,
bestie. You
fraudsters,
gotta love
scam
it. I'm a
artists,
Bitcoin
Ponzi schemes.
bestie. You gotta love it. I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Ah.
You gotta love it.
Ah. Gosh.
You gotta love it. I'm a
Bitcoin bestie.
You gotta
A potato
love it.
flew
I'm a
around my
Bitcoin
room
bestie.
before you came.
This is the point. That right there, that's what life's about. Period. That's literally what life's about. That was crazy. I felt so lit. I felt like I was panting right now. Oh my gosh, you guys could see so much. I'm like shades right now. Woo! See, look, I have some view outside right there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you guys see that in my glasses. That's so funny. That was awesome. That was so awesome. Guys, I am so excited. Like, I'm actually just pumped. And yeah, I'm so excited. I do love my donkey. That's true. I love my donkey. And I knew I had to do it. I've been saving it all week. I was like, I'm going to do donkey on Friday. Make it special. And so I'm very, very bullish. Thank you guys so much. Cassius, thank you for being amazing. Shout out to Emma Foster. Emma Foster, my Miss Tween. Do you like Bitcoin Besties? I'm happy you like it. I'm happy everyone likes it. I'm trying to get my clip from Newsmax, but I think they're busy. So if anyone is able to go back to Newsmax yesterday and maybe catch my clip, that would be great. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting this show. Thank you for supporting me. And pushing this community forward so I'm able to go ahead and move into a new place. And I'm just so grateful. So thank you guys so much. And I'm just so excited. And August is going to be a great month. September to December is going to be major for crypto. So just keep calm, hot along and, be here to listen to the news. But thank you guys so much. Like, you guys, just make my whole world. And I just want to say thank you for just giving me the opportunity. I'm really not going to cry. But yeah, I'm so happy right now. Like, it's just ridiculous. And, I'm just so grateful. So thank you guys for the opportunities you give me. And thank you for letting me be part of your family and a part of your morning routine. So thank you guys so much. Happy August. Happy Friday. Happy weekend. Let's get after it. Please wish me luck on the move. I know it's going to be a lot. I have a lot to go through, but it's all going to be good. We're going to get through it together. So thank you guys so much. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends, and go to the after show in Discord right now. My members and I are going to hang out, and I'm so excited. Happy Friday. Happy weekend. Happy August. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends, and have a beautiful weekend. Mwah. Stay zesty, fam. Bye. See you in my new location next time. Woohoo!